Alright, hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here, and in this video I'm going to be doing an install of this black carbon fiber skin on my OnePlus 10 Pro. Now I did a poll on my channel today and this one came out victorious. I will be doing some other videos of other phone skins from SopiGuard, which if you are interested in buying this skin for your 10 Pro or any other smartphone that you might own, you can go to SopiGuard.com and scoop this up. They're in California and their shipping is pretty dang quick. And for $9.99, you get everything that you see. So you get the skin with the logo cut out, which you can opt into not getting the logo cut out. That's up to you. And then you also get the camera bump skin as well. So it's a 3M carbon fiber skin. It's very good, very durable. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy installed on my Volcanic Black 10 Pro. So my tricks and things that I do with these skins is usually what I'll start with is I will pill the back. And you want to be careful because with the with the OnePlus logo, it can tend to kind of not pull all together. So you kind of want to work that one as well with it so that way it doesn't get stuck on here. And then once you start to peel this all apart, there we go. And what I like to do is I like to put half of the skin over kind of the top here and then a little bit here at the bottom so I can kind of move this paper around over the phone. So that way you can kind of get everything meshed up and matched up. So let's go ahead and try to fit this on the actual camera bump or around it. Okay. So once you get that top part on there and just let it fall. So that's a little tip that I like to bring up to people is trying not to just match it up exactly by squeezing or pushing it down, but almost just letting it gently fall into place. And then once you get this top part on here, then you can kind of move this bottom piece around a little bit. So that way you can get it matched up here at the bottom. And once you feel like you got it where you kind of want it, then what you can do is actually peel, I'll do this side, peel this out. So I retract my previous statement, guys. So once you get this up here, because I forgot that it's kind of a little bit of a folded back here, is one thing that sometimes I'll do is I'll pull it out, but with that OnePlus logo being the way it is and very finicky, what I usually will do with ones that have a logo cut out is I'll lift it and separate it, and then I'll just start it down a little bit and just kind of work its way down, kind of almost tapping, just letting it kind of gently fall. And then once it's fallen down all the way, then you can kind of make sure it's meshed up at the bottom. And then you just start kind of folding it over. And that is all she wrote, guys. So there is the black carbon fiber skin installed on the 10 Pro. So I did want to edit that out because I wanted to show y'all, because like I said, there's two ways that I've installed skins over the years. It's either doing it that way where I can peel it out, or I will just gently lift it up and let it kind of work its way down. And as you can see here, there's still going to be some bubbles a little bit, but for just the video purposes, I'm just mainly doing it with my finger. But I want to do it with my finger here so that way you can see how easy the install actually can be. Because once I'm done, then I will use a blow dryer and just kind of blow dry it and let it kind of form a little bit stronger to my phone. But there's the look if you wanted to go without a actual skin on the camera bump. But for this video, I am going to install that skin on this camera bump. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So since it's a little bit bigger skin, the hard part sometimes are these little bit thinner parts that do go around the lenses. But what I'm going to try to do is what I usually do, and that is trying to go about halfway, or at least about 3/4 of the way on the actual lens here, as you can see, where it's sticking out a little bit, but it helps a lot where that circular cutout is right there. So as you can see there, that little circle cutout, because then I'm going to try to match that up with the actual camera bump part, and we'll see if it is easy as I think it will be, hopefully. Okay, so there we have it. So once again, trial and error. Once you start doing it, sometimes it will peel off a little easier once you have it halfway on. And then sometimes it's just a heck of a lot easier, guys, just to kind of hold it barely and just try to work it yourself and try to get it around the lenses. And it usually will fall into place on most phones here. But yeah, so there it is. So there it is, guys, installed on the phone. Looks pretty good. Actually looks really good. I'm a huge fan of carbon fiber in general. I have a carbon fiber wallet. I have a carbon fiber watch band, carbon fiber cases. So carbon fiber is kind of my thing. And then this is kind of the look here. So it doesn't go all the way down the side. So obviously you still have that matte black rail there. But since this does kind of bleed over the edge, it actually stops right there at the edge as well. So that's kind of the look of the camera bump there when it's installed. And it does go very nicely around the edges, guys. So it looks very good, very clean, easy install. So there you have it, guys. There is the black carbon fiber skin from SopiGuard for the OnePlus 10 Pro. So like I said, it's a 3M skin. It is $9.99, and shipping's usually like a couple of bucks. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.